Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing. Download a verified Windows 10 icon pack and make a system restore point now. Once downloaded, extract icons to a dedicated folder so you can revert. Then open Settings, go to Personalization, open Themes, and click Desktop Icon Settings. This is where you change system icons like Computer, Recycle Bin, and Network. Make sure to keep the backup copy of original icons. This saves time if you need to undo changes. Now you replace icons. In Desktop Icon Settings, choose an icon, click Change Icon, and browse to the Windows 10 icon you extracted. For folder and file type icons, you must either edit the registry key for the specific file class or use a reputable icon management tool. Be precise with paths. Once set, rebuild the icon cache. Exit Explorer, delete icon cache. DB from your user app data, and restart Explorer. This forces Windows to load the new visuals immediately. Finish by verifying. Sign out, sign back in, and restart to confirm the Windows 10 icons persist. If some icons revert, make sure the icon files remain in the same folder and that file associations or registry keys point correctly. If not, restore originals from your backup. One key troubleshooting tip. If icons still act wrong, boot to safe mode and remove or undo the changes. Then run a system restore point. This typically resolves conflicts caused by third-party icon tools or incorrect registry edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.